Organizing every room in your home can feel like a lofty goal, but with the right strategy your entire home can be neat and tidy. An organized home is a huge project, so don't put too much pressure on yourself to finish quickly. Here are 9 home organization tips to help you get started. 1. Make an art station on wheels. If your children's crayons, coloring books, paper, and paint are all over the place, organize them into a portable art station. Purchase a shelving unit with wheels, so you can move this station to wherever your kids are doing art projects. 2. Create an electronic closet. Electronic cords tend to be bulky, and they can easily tangle and cause clutter. So consider turning a closet into a dedicated space for electronic items, such as spare chargers and power strips. 3. Create a filing system. If you keep paper records, make sure to store them in an organized fashion. You can use a simple accordion folder, which is ideal if you don't have much to store. You also can use a filing system that fits in an existing desk drawer or a freestanding filing cabinet. 4. Fold your jeans. You generally don't have to worry about jeans getting creased if you fold them. So to keep them organized, store your jeans in a neatly folded stack rather than spending time hanging them. 5. Organize your seasonal clothes. If your closet has the space, store seasonal clothes on the top shelf, so it is easy to rotate them when the season changes again. 6. Organize your hobbies. By organizing the items you need for your favorite hobby, you might feel motivated to do it more. Use shelving to spread out everything you need to garden: pots, a watering can, utensils, etc. 7. File your t-shirts. By folding your t-shirts in such a way that they file one behind another, you can pull out one shirt without the others moving. This also allows you to see what's on each shirt all at once. 8. Categorize party utensils and decor. Plastic containers are great for storing extra party utensils and materials for entertaining. Instead of dumping them all in one container labeled party utensils, divide them into categories. This allows you to find what you need quickly. 9. Sort your pantry with a stackable rack organizer. A stackable rack organizer is ideal to organize soda cans and soup cans. Every time you take one out, another one rolls down. This is an excellent way to organize when you buy items in bulk. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.